Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you do not know who I am, my name is Charlotte Alvarez, but you can call me Jay, and happily you should know that already. But if you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. Do not forget to subscribe. So in today's video, I do not know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a palette and see the colors and see what I come up with. And the palette we're gonna be using is the Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Bases, and this is the inside of it. I haven't used this palette in a while now. Literally, I haven't used it. So we're gonna go for it and go in with it. So if you want to know what kind of look I get, continue on watching. So for the eyes, of course, we're going to go in with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer. I may do both eyes on camera. We're going to go in with the Morphe Concealer. And this is in the color Oats. I wish they sell more of these, but they don't. Alright, and to set that in place, we're going to go in with the Always True Matte Super Blendable Powder. Alright, and okay, now going into the palette. Alright, let's get a fluffy brush. And just go in with it. And we're going to go in with that same brush and go in with a darker color. And then we're going to go with another darker shape. It's going to be like a little burgundy. No. Like well, yeah, but somewhat. But it's darker. Alright. I'm going to go back in with a nude color. And apply that on the, we're going to apply it on the inner corner of the eye and making it to the middle. Alright, go ahead and get an eyeliner. Now we're done with that. Now we're gonna pop on some lashes. Alright, so first thing we're gonna go in with for face, we'll be going in with the Fessional Pearl Primer. Alright, and for foundation, we'll be going in with the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. Yeah. Alright, from let me go ahead and grab a sponge and set that. Alright, and for concealer, we're going to go in with that Morphe concealer that we used earlier to clean the brows. I'm going to grab a little bit of setting spray and blend that. Blend that. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and grab some baking powder. And then we're going to go in with the airspun loose powder. Now we're going to go ahead and do some little contouring. Alrighty, and for bronzer, we're gonna go in with the Hoola Benefit bronzer. Alright, for blush, we're gonna use something different. This is a blush I'll be using. This is actually could be a lip and cheek cream color. So we're gonna use this for the cheeks. Ooh. Alrighty. Now for highlight, we'll be going in with the Model CO, and this is in the color Moonshine. Let me show you how it looks like, because I just got this, and this is how it looks like. You know what I forgot to do? I actually forgot to contour the nose. Alrighty, that's good enough. I'm going to go back in with that highlight and place that on the inner corners of the eye. Get some mascara and put that on the bottom lashes. Alright, and now for lips. Go in with the ColourPop bottom stain. It's like a little. Alright, you guys, and last but not least, we're going to go in with some setting spray. And this is going to be the MAC Prep Plus Prime. I'm going to go ahead and spray it on there. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. I hope you guys love the look. And if you do love the look, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Leave some comments. And if you are new, once again, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!